inspired by the work of Ottmar Höll and other events projects the idea of peaceful coexistence from within the restfulness of the convent into the unrest of the world. The victory gnome becomes a connecting link, a mediator between celebration, victory, and peaceful coexistence. The victory sign is identical to the peace sign. But what is peace? And what it is peace? What is peace? What is peace? Careful curiosities, many curiosities, careful curiosities, respect, question mark.